Should you go to Albania or Montenegro? That's a great question. I think you should do both. My recommendation is that you go to Albania and then that you drive your way all the way to Montenegro. The drive from Albania to Kotor was about like 4 hours, even with a pit stop to, you know, get some water and snacks. So that wasn't bad at all. You can't rent a car, unfortunately, but you can definitely get a private taxi or take a bus. But we took a private taxi, which was 230 euros for 4 people and 5 suitcases, which I think it's a very good price for that. Anyways, if you have any questions about Albania versus Montenegro, just go ahead and put it in the comments down below. I'm happy to answer any questions, but let's get into the video now. During our visit to Albania, we stayed in Tirana, which is the capital of Albania. According to Wikipedia, this capital is known for its colorful Ottoman, fascist, and Soviet-era architecture. You would find different styles of architecture. There are very old buildings and then the modern architecture that was built by Italians starting in the 1900s. When it comes to food, I would give Tirana a 5 out of 10. However, if you love protein platters, this is a place for you. For that, I would give it a 10 out of 10. Also, if you are a beer drinker, you're going to have a lot of fun because their beers are huge. I would say my favorite place in Tirana was the Grand Park of Tirana. This is a huge park full of nature, people walking around, flowers, lakes, coffee shops, and wildlife. The second best thing that you can do in Albania is to rent a car and just drive out to the nature, the mountains, the lakes, and have amazing hikes, rock climbing, picnics, and connection with nature. Hey guys, we're here at the border, a little stuck because the Albanian men don't want to let us go to Montenegro. However, we're on the Montenegro side already, so they're just making it difficult for us. They want us to present a COVID test, which we didn't do because the taxi told us that we probably didn't need it. So we went with his word and now here we are. But you know, the Albanian men want some money and we were worried about how much that would be. So we asked and they were like 10. I'm like, 10 what? They're like 10 euro per person. I'm like, 50 euro? Okay, that's doable. We'll see what's gonna happen, but I'm sure we're gonna get through. Hi friends, we just arrived to Montenegro about 20 minutes ago. We were settling and, you know, putting our suitcases away, and now we're walking around and we're so happy to be here. Everything is super beautiful. The people are great. Like, our hosts are like moms and dads. They're super nice and warming and welcoming, and the hospitality has been wonderful so far, which we're so grateful for. And let me show you my view right now. Did you know that Montenegro became an independent country in June of 2006? I didn't know that either. I also did not know that Montenegro is not part of the Schengen zone, or that Casino Royale was never recorded in Montenegro. But what I do know now is that Montenegro is a stunning country, especially the city of Kotor. I fell in love with the old town pretty easily. As I walked in by the gate, I was already impressed by the beauty of the stone buildings with green windows and the little cafes and restaurants, little stores and boutiques, the cats. And of course, the hike of the ladder of Kotor, which is right at the back of the gate of the old town. We enjoyed this hike with some friends, some wine, and some snacks, and we are looking forward to explore more of the country so I can make more videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon.